My lord,
Yes.
kindly see judgment of Supreme Court. কালকে যেটা দিয়ে
See, I have
another
not been
judgment,
able,
my lord.
I have not been able to appreciate your submissions. You made so many submissions on the last day. It will not be proper that I should continue to hear the matter.
Judgment, latest judgment,
Alright.
kindly. Judgment, latest judgment,
Alright.
kindly see.
Unless I know the submission, how can I assess the judgment? Please, the learned petitioner has appeared in person. Stop. Many submissions have been. Matter be released. Placed before the Honorable the Chief Justice for appropriate orders.
যেটা ডিফিকাল্টি হচ্ছে, দেখুন উনি যেটা আমাদের জজ সাহেব উনি বলছেন যে একটা জাস্টিস করতে গেলে আপনার প্রত্যেক জিনিসটা শোনা উচিত।
তাহলে my lord অন্তত একটা interim order
Matter be released.